Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your portfolio with Behance, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, sign up for a free Behance account. Once registered, complete your profile with a professional photo and a compelling bio. Next, upload your best work to your portfolio. Ensure that your projects are high quality and showcase your skills effectively. Add detailed descriptions for each project, highlighting your process and contributions. Organize your projects into categories to help viewers navigate your portfolio easily. Take advantage of the Behance project features, such as adding tags and customization options. Engage with the Behance community by following other creatives and commenting on their work. Share your projects on social media platforms to increase visibility. Join relevant groups on Behance to connect with like-minded artists. Participate in Behance challenges to gain exposure and enhance your skills. Update your portfolio regularly with new projects and fresh content. Utilize analytics on Behance to track the performance of your projects. Learn from the feedback you receive and make improvements based on audience engagement. Network with other creatives by reaching out through comments or direct messages. Consider collaborating on projects with other artists to expand your reach. Attend online events or workshops hosted by Behance to enhance your knowledge. Lastly, stay consistent with your contributions to build a recognizable presence on Behance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.